Hello fellow entrepreneurs and welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you the do's and don'ts of starting a small business. Let's get to it. Welcome to episode 1 of my new series, The Life of an Entrepreneur. Today we're talking about the do's and don'ts of starting a small business. Let's start with some positives. The first do take risks. Risk taking can have huge outcomes if done tactfully. For example, if your business is ready to expand and grow, then grow. The only way your business will grow is if you plan it and manifest it. You shouldn't be shy to reach out to influencers or launch a new product because they may have huge results you will not get to witness otherwise. So take risks, but be informed about it first. Research is the key to success. Don't ignore smaller businesses. Make contacts. If you get to a stage where you have a significant following, don't deny the help or request for help of small or new businesses. Remember that you were once there too, and they may grow to a huge size. Having business contacts and friends will help you in the long run and increase your chances of collaborations and joint business growth if you're bringing your customers something new. It also shows that you have a friendly nature and you may even generate some sales from it. Do be respectful to customers. Regardless of background, if a customer is using your business, they deserve your gratitude. And they should see that, whether it be a thank you card, freebies, or even liking their supportive comments. Developing your reputation can only happen through positive engagements and interactions, so be helpful and respectful where you can. Although it is not wrong to be irritated at a negative customer, remember to retain your professionalism and it will pay off. Don't buy too much stock before starting your business. If you have money to spend, don't spend it all on stock, because if you haven't successfully advertised your business and generated enough excitement, you'll be very disappointed when sales don't meet your expectations. Instead, do promote on various platforms and have a budget for advertising. It will help to boost your sales and improve your brand's presence in your market of choice. Do post regularly and remain approachable. Purely posting pictures of your products will not generate sales. Be confident and sell yourself as an owner. You can do this through a number of different ways, such as modeling your products, holding giveaways, lives, Q&As, and posting interactive content such as polls. It shows that you are committed as an owner and requires your audience to be more immersed, improving how your brand is viewed, and you as an owner. Don't take your opinion for fact. If you are new, you will probably not know much about customers or your market. You need to ask for advice from others because their input will give your business a glow up based on knowledge. Asking for help is never looked down upon. The biggest companies in the world have entire teams dedicated to researching trends, customers, and products and asking for help. So even if you want to know where another business got their packaging from, ask. Unsure about your new products, drop a preview and ask. Hunger for knowledge will make your company unstoppable. Do invest into a thermal label printer. They make your packaging look so much more professional and give you access to contact-free delivery where your courier can collect your parcels from your home. They can also be used for printing labels for products and are a great long-term investment, especially for when your business will blow up. Believe in it and it will happen. Don't make impulsive purchases. Have a budget and a business plan in mind. Without a business plan and a budget, you could be spending more than you're actually earning, and this could put you into a negative cash flow. This would ruin your business because it would force you to take out loans, and as a small business, you don't realistically want to be doing this. You've probably heard it many times that a business plan is what you need, but it's the truth. You can access free business plans and download them online, or even take quizzes that tell you what you need and where your business is failing or succeeding. I strongly recommend creating a business plan immediately. It will help you know what you're looking and striving towards and how you're going to get there. Having realistic goals will make you succeed, and without it, you can't expect to get anywhere. Do understand that a small business is very time consuming and demanding depending on what it is. You need to be ready to make sacrifices and give up some hours of your sleep to fulfill orders as such. It's so important that you know this before going into starting a small business, because otherwise you'll be shocked when you don't have the success that you want, but you're still so tired and it just doesn't make sense. This can cause you stress and put financial burden on you. If you're not ready to make financial commitments, then you shouldn't start a small business. Have a financial goal in mind and have money ready to spend when it's needed. Just know that if you do invest your own money, you are taking your own risk. As I said earlier, you need to take risk, but it's dependent on you on what risk you want to take. However, if you do decide to take this risk and spend your own money, it can have huge payoffs in the long run. Don't underestimate the costs of running a small business. It may seem like some people are living the dream, but you have to think about how much money each and every small business invests into their different product suppliers, advertising, packaging, and more. If you don't understand the financial aspect of a business, you need to do more research before you commit to one. Don't estimate how much everything costs. It's so important to keep track of what you're spending and where you're spending it. If you have reliable suppliers and they have the same costs every time, then you know that you won't be losing money. But if you aren't certain and if you haven't found the correct supplier for yourself yet, then you never know what money you're spending and where it's going. Bookkeeping is so important for small businesses, and I can't stress it enough. If you don't bookkeep, then you won't know how much profit you're making or if you're making any profit at all. This will also allow you to set yourself a goal, because then you'll know what amount of sales you'll need to break even and even make profit. Don't overproject your sales. Be optimistic with what you can reach, but don't be too optimistic that you place all of your business on it. Don't be dependent on something that you don't know. It's important to know that you will not get sales straight away unless you've done as much advertising and promotion as possible. So be realistic about how sustainable your business is with the sales that you're getting, and think about how you are going to improve this if you want to sustain your business. Do think about the longevity of your business. Is this something that you want to do full-time or just as a part-time hobby? If you want to turn this into your full-time job, you need to be realistic about how you're going to get there. Without a business plan and a goal in mind, you won't be able to make as much profit from your business as you can. Without research, your business will not last, and if you want it to last and be your full-time job, you need to put the work in. This means doing research, investing your own money, finding the best suppliers, and being well prepared for any situations that may come your way. Don't underestimate the time that it takes to start your business. If you want to start your business, you need to realize that it will take time to set it up so that it's properly prepared for all of the orders, etc. that you will be getting. For example, if you're not working from home and you have your own small shop, you need to wait for all of the permits, etc. to come through. You can't be impatient. It takes time to start a small business, and you have to be willing to wait. If you're not willing to wait, then your business won't be as good or successful as it possibly can be. Do have a clear target market in mind. Don't just cater for everyone, because it is not possible, especially if you're a small business or if you work by yourself. For example, if you sell lashes or lip gloss, aim them at a certain age group of women. You don't want to be aiming lashes and lip glosses at 3-year-old children, because that is the wrong target market for you. Without understanding who you're marketing for and who you're aiming your products at, your advertising will be all wrong, and if you do this, you won't be optimizing sales. If you realize sooner rather than later who you want your products to be bought by, then you will be getting more sales and be doing more successful as a business. Don't waste people's time. If someone is inquiring about one of your products, or if they need help, don't think that you are too big to help them. You should show your customers gratitude, as I mentioned earlier. Without this, you won't be able to be successful, and people won't regard your brand in a positive light. Regardless of size, you should respect your customer and understand their needs and cater for them. whether this means giving them extra time as such. If you don't have the time for this, then you need to realize that you need to create a timetable to balance your normal life and your small business. Because without this, you won't be able to create a successful business and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The last thing on this list is the most important. I can't stress how important it is to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, then you won't be successful because you don't have faith in your own business or yourself. And if you don't have faith in yourself or your business, how can you expect other people to have that for you? You need to stay consistent. Believe in your brand, believe in yourself, and you will achieve great things. Your brand will grow in time and you need to be patient. You will get there. It's just a matter of believing and putting the effort in. I wish you luck on all of your business endeavors. And if you need any extra advice, continue watching the series where I'm going to be starting my own lip gloss and lash business. If you're interested, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.